We are group 15. My name is Naisla Rahel Maulana and my partner is Muhammad Fikri Sarbakti. Today, we would like present our research entitled The Rhythm of Focus, Lofi Music as a Catalyst for Gen Z Academic Study Concentration. In this presentation, we will discuss how Lofi music can help Generation Z improve their concentration while studying. Generation Z is known as the digital native generation because they grow up surrounded by technology and internet. However, this constant exposure to a digital device also creates several challenges. Many students frequently switch between applications, receive endless notification, and experience information overload from social media. As a result, maintaining focus while studying becomes more difficult. Therefore, many students look for ways to create a calmer and more productive learning environment. One popular solution is listening to lofi music. Lofi music typically has a tempo of around 60 to 90 beats per minute, which creates a relaxing atmosphere. Another important characteristic is the absence of lyric. Because there are no vocal, students can focus on their task without being distracted by words. In addition, lofi music often includes soft backgrounds as rain, funnel crackles, and ambient noise, which help reduce distraction from the surrounding environment. Research shows that background music can influence our brain and emotional state. Pleasant audio can stimulate dopamine release, which improves moods and motivation during study session. Furthermore, because loving music is repetitive and predictable, the brain can easily adapt to it. This helps students maintain concentration and reduce the impact of distracting sound. To investigate the effect of loving music, we conducted a study involving 30 active Generation Z university students. Participants were introduced to lofi music and took part in a controlled study session lasting between 5 and 10 minutes. Afterward, they complete a survey using Google Forms to evaluate their concentration level and overall study experience. The results show the approximately 80% of participants experience a positive improvement in concentration while listening to lovely music. Many students reported feeling less stressed and less fatigued during their study session. Only 20% preferred studying in complete silence or felt neutral about the effect of lovely music. This finding suggests that loving music can be an effective tool of for enhancing academic focus. Thank you for listening. Now, I will hand over the presentation to Fikri, who will explain the remaining findings and conclusion.
Naysila, breakdown of student perception. This slide presents a more detailed breakdown of the survey results. Most respondents reported lofi music had a positive impact on several aspects of studying, including concentration, relaxation, comfort, and creating a calmer learning environment. The highest positive response was related to mental relaxation and anxiety reduction, with 18% of students reporting a strong benefit. Attribution of focus benefit. Students identified two main reasons why loving music help them focus. First, the absence of vocal prevent distraction caused by processing lyric. Second, the steady and consistent tempo creates a comfortable atmosphere that support concentration. Together, their characteristics allow students to remain focused on their academic tasks. Direct student feedback. One participant stated that before becoming familiar with lofi music, studying often felt stressful. However, after listening to lofi while working on assignments and papers, the participant felt more relaxed and comfortable. This feedback supports the survey finding and highlight the positive emotional effect of lofi music during studying. One size does not fit all. Although the majority of participants had positive experience, it is important to recognize that learning preferences vary among individuals. Some students perform better in complete silence and might find any type of background sound distracting. Therefore, while lofi music can be beneficial for money learning, it might not be suitable for everyone. A synthetic and future frontier. In conclusion, lofi music serves as a simple, accessible, and effective tool for supporting academic concentration. By creating a calm and predictable auditory environment, it helps students manage distraction commonly found in modern digital life. For future research, large participant groups and more advanced measurement methods, such as brain activity monitoring, could provide deeper insight into the relationship between music and concentration. This brings us to the end of your presentation. We hope this research has provided useful insight into how lofi music can support learning and concentration among Generation Z students. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great day and thank you for watching. Bye bye.